how to change voicemail notification alerts sound on iPhone. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, scroll down and then tap on New Voicemail. From here, go down the list and choose a new tone. You can also set it to none so that it will not make any sound, but you can still receive notifications. If you tap on the classic option, it will expand out and give you even more sound to select from. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key at the top or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.